Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. I'm diving into the latest Bitcoin updates that you absolutely need to know right now, and I'm challenging myself to explain them all in just 5 minutes. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a movement that's changing the way we think about money. With its value fluctuating wildly, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments. If you're new to Bitcoin, you might be wondering what all the fuss is about. Simply put, Bitcoin is a decentralized currency that allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. The world of Bitcoin can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. Understanding Bitcoin is crucial, not just for investors, but for anyone interested in the future of finance. As the most widely recognized cryptocurrency, Bitcoin's performance often sets the tone for the entire market. So why should you care about Bitcoin updates? Well, staying informed can help you make better decisions whether you're an investor or just curious about the space. With new developments emerging every day, it's easy to feel left behind. That's why I'm here to keep you up to date. The crypto space is known for its volatility, and Bitcoin is no exception. Over the past year, we've seen significant fluctuations in its price. Recently, Bitcoin has been trading in a relatively narrow range. But don't be fooled. This doesn't mean the market is stagnant. Several factors have contributed to Bitcoin's recent performance, including increased adoption and advancements in blockchain technology. Institutional investors have also taken notice, with some major players entering the market. This influx of capital has helped stabilize Bitcoin's price. As we look at the bigger picture, it's clear that Bitcoin is becoming more mainstream. More businesses are accepting Bitcoin as payment, and its use cases are expanding. This growing acceptance has significant implications for its long-term value. The regulatory environment is another crucial aspect to consider. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to handle cryptocurrencies. Recent regulatory news has had a noticeable impact on Bitcoin's price. Let's dive into the latest news. In response to these developments, the Bitcoin community has shown resilience. The hash rate, a measure of the network's computational power, has started to recover. This recovery is a positive sign, indicating that miners remain confident in the network's future. Technological advancements are also underway. The development of Taproot, a protocol upgrade, aims to improve Bitcoin's scalability and privacy. This upgrade is expected to have far-reaching implications for the network. Recent comments from industry experts have also made headlines. The CEO of a leading exchange has expressed optimism about Bitcoin's future, citing growing institutional interest. Regulatory news from around the world continues to influence Bitcoin's price. The recent ban on cryptocurrency trading in China has had a significant impact on the market. The global crypto market is highly interconnected, and Bitcoin's performance often reflects broader trends. The future of Bitcoin looks promising, with many experts predicting long-term growth. As more people become aware of its potential, Bitcoin's user base is likely to expand. The investment landscape is also evolving, with more traditional investors entering the space. This increased participation has helped drive up demand for Bitcoin. So what does all this mean for investors? In short, it's essential to stay informed and not make decisions based on emotions. The market can be unpredictable, but with a solid understanding of the underlying trends, you can make more informed choices. The fundamentals of Bitcoin remain strong, with its decentralized nature and limited supply being key advantages. As the world becomes more familiar with cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is likely to continue playing a leading role. Industry experts have been weighing in on Bitcoin's future. According to a recent interview with a prominent crypto analyst, Bitcoin's current price is just a minor setback in its long-term trajectory. Another expert added, "The fundamentals of Bitcoin are stronger than ever, and its potential for growth is substantial." These insights from experts add credibility to the positive outlook on Bitcoin. What do these updates mean for the future of Bitcoin as a digital currency? In short, the prospects look bright. With growing adoption and ongoing improvements to the network, Bitcoin's position as a leading cryptocurrency seems secure. The coming months will likely be crucial in determining Bitcoin's long-term trajectory. Keep an eye on regulatory developments, technological advancements, and market trends. As we wrap up, let's recap the key points. Bitcoin's recent performance, the impact of regulatory news, and the technological advancements underway. The takeaway is clear. Staying informed about Bitcoin updates is essential for anyone interested in the space. The implications of these updates extend beyond Bitcoin itself, influencing the broader cryptocurrency market. As the space continues to evolve, it's exciting to think about what the future holds. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency trends, be sure to check out my other video on the topic. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.